This trap combined with this juicy steak bait is too good to be true, because there is gonna be a lot of different sea creatures in the cage within a few seconds. She casts the bait attached to a wire into the water and drags it up a few minutes later. You'll be surprised how many different meat-eating creatures that got caught. And I guess I have to say, viewer discretion is advised, because she caught some nasty things in there, and you're about to see it. She opens the lid, excited and hungry, and there is much more creatures in there than you think. Now look at this. I'll think I passed a swim in a lake again.